Hi everyone! So today I've got my June's subscription knitcrate package. It arrived very late, but it was holiday season at in my country. So finally I got my package and I'm very excited to open it. I will show you what will be inside this box. But before, let me describe this video for you. So this is a knitcrate package. It arrives from the website knitcrate. They have this service or this subscription, which is they send you a monthly subscription box with yarn inside, with free patterns, one for a knitting pattern and one as a crochet pattern. So each month you get something new, something different than the old package, and actually you get different blends of yarn, and sometimes you get a hand-dyed yarn, which is very nice colors. Sometimes they send you a typical yarn for all subscription or all the subscriptions from the same category. Since they have 4 categories, they have the monthly subscription and the artisan crate, the sock crate and the artisan sock crate, each with different yarn color, and each month they send you a package with a different theme, and this month's theme is ice cream, which is amazing because it has wonderful colors. There are 4 colorways, so it's a surprise for you to get one of these colors when you open the package. So now I will show you what color I got, and while I'm opening this package, I'd like to tell you that I've linked the website below in the description box. You can go there and see the types of the subscriptions, and also if you will try this out, which I recommend very much, not because it's my subscription, but because each month I get something amazing. So if you are willing to subscribe to this crate, you can find a coupon code in the description box, which will give you 20% off the first subscription. So for the first month you will get 20% off, and of course when you become a member of the subscription system, you will get discounts on all your purchases from the shop. So go ahead, take a look, and tell me what you think about this website in the comments section below. So now I will show you what's inside. So I'm opening, oh, the yellow one, yes. There are 4 colors for this theme. The yellow one, which is the crochet piece, and there is this blue, this coral blue color as well, and there's a pink, I think, and one with a very light color. But the awesome thing is that I wanted the yellow color or the blue color, but I've got the yellow color, which is very awesome. Let me show you the theme first. So the theme is ice cream. So as you can see, these are the colorways. The yellow one, which I've got right here, and the blue one, the pink one, and this ice cream color, which is very interesting. I was hoping for these 2 colors and I've got one of them. I'm so happy about this. So this card says the fresh neons and icy brights of this month's shipments will have you screaming for more. Celebrate the season with these popping primary tones with a twist. These electric hues remind us of afternoons spent poolside, energetic beach towns, and the sizzling heat of summer days. Yes, it actually does. So here you can see I've got 2 skeins of the yarn, and this yarn is called Vidalana, and the colorway is called Bananas, obviously, and it's a blend of 75% superwash merino 15% nylon and 10% cashmere. This is very nice. The blend is amazing and very interesting. Even the thickness of the yarn is very nice. You can use a 2 to 2.5 millimeter hook or needle, and it's 0 to 1 in US terms. So this is very interesting, and actually I'm going to film a video with these yarns. I'm going to make something very special. It's winter, summer / spring, autumn. You can wear this piece in any season you like. So stay tuned and watch my next video, which will be the piece I'm going to make with these yarns. And take a look at these designs, these awesome designs. Actually, this one is very interesting. I wanted to see this from the beginning of the month, since the subscribers were sharing their work on this pattern on Instagram and Facebook. It was very interesting. I've been waiting so patiently for this package to arrive, and finally it did. So anyway, if you're interested, go ahead and look at knitcrate's page on Instagram, and you will see this pattern and this pattern as well, which is a shawl. Yes, and it's made from the coral blue color. Also, you can see on the Instagram page the sock crate designs for this month. So each month you will see different designs in this page, so don't miss it out. It's very inspiring. Even if you don't like to try these, you get inspired by the ideas and the designs. So this is it. I wanted to share with you this package, and actually what highlights all of this package is this thing on the lid. I'm ready for my close-up. So they encourage you to send them a picture of your crate. Snap a shot for a chance to win 3 free months of knitcrate and post it to Ravelry Instagram and Facebook, and hashtag unravel your knitcrate. So this is another amazing offer they do, which is you can take a picture for these skeins with the theme. You can make it very appealing, and if you win, you can get 3 months free crates. So try it out. I recommend it. The blends are amazing. I've been working with them for 2 months now, and it's been very nice. And I'm sharing my patterns using these yarns on my website, so you can go as well and see all the patterns that I'm making with the knitcrate yarn. So that's it. I hope you liked this video, and it was very short, and I want to thank you for watching this video and for supporting my channel. Please leave your comments or your ideas or whatever you want in the comment section, and also don't forget to check out the description box for more information about this subscription. Thank you so much for listening to me and for watching me, and see you soon in a new video. Goodbye.